The hidden powerhouses, understanding sweat glands and their role in human physiology. Sweat glands are often overlooked but play a crucial role in maintaining body temperature and overall health. These specialized structures work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure our bodies function optimally. For individuals who experience excessive sweating, understanding how these glands operate can provide insight into managing their condition effectively. This guide delves deep into the world of sweat glands, exploring their types, functions, and significance in human biology. Anatomy and classification of sweat glands. Sweat glands come in two primary forms, eccrine and apocrine. Eccrine glands are distributed across most of the skin surface, while apocrine glands are concentrated in areas like the armpits and groin. Eccrine glands produce a clear, watery fluid that helps regulate body temperature through evaporative cooling. Apocrine glands secrete a thicker substance that contributes to body odor when broken down by bacteria. Eccrine glands, found abundantly on palms, soles, forehead, and torso, responsible for thermoregulation. Apocrine glands, located primarily under arms and around genitalia, involved in pheromone production and scent development. The functionality of eccrine sweat glands. Eccrine sweat glands serve as vital components of the body's thermoregulatory system. They respond to increases in core body temperature by secreting moisture onto the skin's surface. This process begins when the hypothalamus detects elevated temperatures and signals activation of eccrine glands via sympathetic nerve pathways. The secretion then evaporates, drawing heat away from the body. Interestingly, eccrine glands also contribute to ion balance by excreting excess sodium and chloride ions during periods of heavy perspiration. This dual functionality highlights their importance beyond mere temperature control. Average adult humans have approximately 2 million eccrine glands, though distribution varies significantly between different regions of the body. For instance, palms contain up to 600 glands per square inch compared to only 200 in other areas. Apocrine gland functions and implications. Unlike eccrine glands, apocrine glands become active post-puberty due to hormonal changes associated with sexual maturity. Their activity is linked closely with emotional states rather than just thermal regulation. The secretions from apocrine glands contain proteins and lipids which serve as substrates for bacterial metabolism. This interaction leads to characteristic body odors commonly experienced after physical exertion or stress. These glands are particularly responsive to adrenaline release during fight-or-flight situations, making them integral players in both physiological and psychological responses. It is estimated that apocrine glands account for less than 1% of total sweat produced daily despite being located in highly visible and sensitive bodily locations. Hyperhidrosis. When sweating becomes excessive sweating, medically termed hyperhidrosis, affects millions worldwide and can severely impact quality of life. It occurs when sweat glands overreact to stimuli such as heat, anxiety, or certain foods. This condition manifests in various forms, including focal hyperhidrosis affecting specific areas like hands or feet, and generalized hyperhidrosis involving widespread sweating. Both types disrupt normal social interactions and daily routines. While occasional sweating is natural, chronic cases may require medical intervention ranging from antiperspirants containing aluminum salts to botulinum toxin injections targeting affected nerves. Approximately 4.8% of people globally suffer from clinically significant hyperhidrosis according to recent epidemiological studies conducted across multiple continents. Psychological impact of chronic sweating conditions. The social ramifications of severe sweating disorders extend far beyond physical discomfort. Many patients report diminished self-confidence leading to avoidance behaviors in professional settings. Persistent fear of embarrassment due to unexpected sweating episodes often results in social withdrawal and isolation. In extreme cases, this can contribute to depression or anxiety disorders requiring therapeutic support. Cognitive behavioral therapy has shown promising outcomes among sufferers by addressing negative thought patterns surrounding body image issues related to excessive perspiration. Support groups specifically tailored for those dealing with hyperhidrosis offer safe spaces where members share coping strategies and experiences without judgment. Natural remedies and lifestyle adjustments. Making conscious lifestyle choices can help manage mild cases of excessive sweating naturally. Staying hydrated ensures efficient functioning of sweat glands without overexerting them unnecessarily. Dietary modifications such as reducing intake of spicy foods and caffeine may alleviate symptoms caused by increased metabolic rates, triggering additional perspiration. Wearing breathable fabrics made from natural fibers allows better air circulation against the skin, thus minimizing dampness buildup, especially in hot climates. Regular exercise improves overall cardiovascular health, thereby enhancing thermoregulation mechanisms controlled by sweat gland activity levels. Medical treatments available for hyperhidrosis. When conservative measures fail, healthcare professionals employ several clinical interventions aimed at decreasing abnormal sweating patterns safely and effectively. Treatment options include prescription-strength antiperspirants containing higher concentrations of aluminum chloride hexahydrate applied before bedtime for optimal absorption. Iontophoresis involves using electrical currents to temporarily block nerve signals responsible for activating sweat glands, typically administered weekly sessions lasting about 20 minutes each. Botox injections target specific neural pathways near problematic areas, providing relief for up to 6 months depending upon individual response factors. Surgical options for severe cases. In instances where non-invasive treatments prove insufficient, surgical procedures might be considered as last resort solutions for refractory hyperhidrosis cases. Endoscopic thoracic sympathectomy entails severing portions of spinal nerves controlling sweat production in targeted zones such as palms or axillae, although risks exist regarding compensatory sweating elsewhere on the body. Liposuction techniques have been explored recently, aiming to remove fat cells housing apocrine glands, potentially reducing localized sweating intensity. However, long-term efficacy remains under investigation. Patients contemplating surgery must undergo thorough evaluations considering potential complications alongside expected benefits, ensuring informed decision-making processes occur transparently. Emerging research and future directions. Ongoing scientific research continues, uncovering novel approaches towards treating persistent sweating conditions, leveraging advancements in biotechnology fields. Gene therapies currently in experimental stages aim at modulating gene expressions governing sweat gland activity, offering hope for future personalized treatment regimens. Smart textiles incorporating microencapsulated antimicrobial agents show promise in mitigating odor concerns arising from bacterial breakdown of apocrine secretions. Artificial intelligence applications assist dermatologists in diagnosing complex cases faster through pattern recognition capabilities, analyzing patient data efficiently. Conclusion: sweat glands represent fascinating biological entities essential not only for regulating internal temperatures but also contributing indirectly to aspects like communication through scent markers. Whether experiencing typical perspiration or battling chronic disorders, recognizing the complexity underlying these tiny yet powerful organs empowers individuals toward proactive management strategies tailored personally.